Best Mini PC of 2022. Hey everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. So, guys, here I'm back with another interesting video, and in this video, I will let you know about the best mini PC of 2022. So, you can purchase one according to your own preference and choice. So, now let's start with the video. And yes, if you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel for further videos. Now let's have a look at the first option. Number 1. Minis FORMUL M700. At first, we have this Minis FORMUL M700 mini PC. This is one of the best overall mini PC of 2022. This effective mini PC is strong and smaller than a mousepad, making it ideal for professional workers, college students, and innovative experts who update their work from home. It seems appropriate sitting on your desk. However way to its mounting plate, you're capable of covering it from view if necessary. Additionally, its small length makes it smooth to transport. In reality, unplug the cables and place the workhorse with its power adapter right into a backpack. Opens in a new tab to take it anywhere you go. Thanks to AMD Fast Quad Middle Ryzen 7 CPU and its PCI Bus SSD, Windows 10 boots in much less than 10 seconds. It consists of 16 GB of RAM. That's extra than good enough for 2022 and beyond. If you need to improve your reminiscence or storage, its pinnacle plate is effortlessly eliminated through urgent and sliding without a screwdriver. It makes use of preferred SODIMMs like laptops do, and has a 2.5-inch bay for an inner SSD or HDD. The tool has one USB-C port at the front in addition to USB 3.2 type of ports, a 3.5 and headphone jack, and a power button. There also are extra USB ports on its back, in addition to HDMI and display port for hooking up a monitor. With this tiny machine, you could power 3 4K shows with ease. However, you may use 3 distinct cable kinds for each USB-C, HDMI, and display port. Now, let's have a look at the next one, and let's see what we have at the next number. Number 2. Lenovo ThinkCentre Tiny M720Q Mini PC. Now, at the second number, we have another high-quality mini PC. With its M720Q, Lenovo screams professional from each angle. This unit has a small footprint, may be used horizontally or vertically, and measures an outstanding 7 inches through 1.35 inches. It has rubbed pads to save it from sliding at the desk, and the stand may be used to place it vertically. It also can be established at the back of a display, in case you buy the elective, however cheaper VSM mounting bracket. This strong metallic enclosure homes a 6-middle Intel i5 9400T that may attain 3.4 GHz. The mini PC makes use of a desktop-grade processor rather than lower-strength Cell 1, and the graphics are treated through an Intel UHD 630 incorporated PIX card. The huge air vents on the return maintain the CPU, and the gadget cool without developing a variety of noise. There are an extensive variety of CPU, RAM, and garage configurations to be had of this model, with the best quit model presently being an Intel i7 8700T with a 1TB SSD and 32GB RAM for 2.5x the rate of this mid-degree configuration. Since it's far an enterprise device, it comes with many perks IT managers will love. Just like the Lenovo Vantage software program that permits them to do the entirety from carrying out hardware scans to replacing software programs and taking a look at guarantee status. Security is any other power that makes it appropriate. For commercial enterprise environments, its smart USB protection lets community directors manage what USB devices except a mouse opens in a new tab, and keyboard may be allowed to connect with its USB ports. Now, let's have a look at another option. I hope you will like that too. Number 3. Dell Optiplex 3090 Micro. Dell has been inside the enterprise of mini PC for years. Since launching its Optiplex collection a few years ago, the organization has advanced it into complete-length PC, SFF, small form factor, and micro offerings. The Optiplex 3090 Micro got here out in past due 2021, changing the 3080 of ago, with the primary variations being its capacity to assist 64 GB of reminiscence on its reminiscence slots, and all of its USB ports are 3.2 Gen 1. This unit is designed to sit vertically subsequent to a monitor, leaving the front USB port and power button inside smooth reach. With microphone and headphones ports, it makes an exquisite video conferencing tool. Windows 10 comes preloaded. However, there may be a choice to have Windows 11 Pro installed. The processor covered is a 10th technology Intel Core i5-10500T with 6 cores with accelerate to 2.30 GHz, so it is ideal for workplace applications. The Intel UHD Graphics 630 shared graphics work properly for looking at HD videos. Number 4. VLink GTR 7 Mini PC. With the VLink GTR 7 Mini PC, VLink has produced a workstation, opens a new tab, magnificent computing device in a small, brilliant package deal that makes it a sturdy PC competitor to the Mac Mini with a few greater perks and capability that increases eyebrows. Its fingerprint reader on the pinnacle of the case is one of its largest benefits over nearly another mini PC, making it a great preference for the safety-aware and properly suitable for each commercial enterprise settings and your house operating space. Its gigabit Ethernet ports additionally make it a first-rate firewall, opens in a new tab, for strolling and intrusion detection system ideas like Suricata, or for different edge of community functions. Its connectivity is certainly considered one of its most powerful points, way to its 6 USB 3.0 ports and its 1 USB Type-C port that assists video. With the USB-C similar to the DisplayPort and HDMI ports, you may use 4 video display units immediately in case you want an amazingly massive task surface. The tool helps the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6. Opens a new tab popular in addition to Gigabit Ethernet and Bluetooth 5.0. Inside you may discover an AMD Ryzen 7 3750H CPU inside, which clocks at as much as 4 GHz and 16 GB of DDR4 reminiscence, 8 GB consistent with reminiscence, which may be extended to 64 GB with 32 GB modules. Due to the Radeon Vega 10 included, do not anticipate the equal graphics overall performance as a discrete GPU. However, it could nonetheless drive numerous video display units at whole resolution. With its assistance for as many as 4 shows its miles extremely good for picture editing, video monitoring, virtual signage, or simply the information junkie that desires to watch information TV on one show and paintings on 3 others. This Mac Mini, which the simplest guide shows, cannot shape this degree of flexibility. Now, let's have a look at the last option, and let's see what we have at the last slot. Number 5. Zodx EBox CI329. Depending on how much of cash you need to spend on a mini PC, once in a while it is great to construct your own. Due to the fact you may reuse additives you may already have, which includes an antique laptop's 2.5 HDD or SSD, or shopping for Sodom reminiscence online for an excellent price. Cases and motherboards are hard to fit on this shape element, so a few organizations provide simply the naked case with a motherboard. Zodx gives you this version with the processor already installed so that you simplest want to feature RAM and storage. This organization has been a pioneer with inside the mini PC marketplace with the primary mini PC and the ZBox collection 12 months later. It's no longer unexpected then that they may be now providing this ready-to-collect package that may be defined as simply upload RAM and a disk. It has a small, rectangular shaped thing with sufficient ports to satisfy the needs of even the maximum traumatic customers, and you may join it to vintage or new video display units alike. Powered through an Intel Celeron N4100 quad-center CPU with passive cooling, the machine is completely silent and appropriate for media playback, net browsing, and workplace paintings. The Intel UHD 600 graphics provides 4K output with H265 and H264 video decoding, so it's miles a super preference for turning into your little media middle or domestic workstation. In addition to the power button, an SDHC card reader, one Type and one Type-C USB 3.0 port, and a hard drive SSD hobby LED. This example additionally has RJ45 Ethernet ports for stressed-out networking. It comes with screen ports with all 3 famous standards, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort, and VGA. A VSM mount is likewise protected in case you need to mount this unit to the again of the screen. So, this is it for today. Now if you like today's video, then make sure to press the like, share, and subscribe button. And yes, do not forget to comment down about your favorite mini PCS. Now if you like to visit the links of the shared mini PCS, then you can check them in the description box.